Today is Fairfax County Disability Mentoring Day, and it's an annual event that the county hosts to bring in high school students with disabilities. And we bring them in for a day to learn about resume building skills, career exploration. And so they spend the morning learning about how to improve their resumes and cover letters and learn about different career opportunities. And then after lunch, they spend 2 hours job shadowing county employees in all different agencies in the county. Job shadowing is an opportunity for the students to work one-on-one with county employees to observe what a typical workplace would be like. So it's a good way of bringing them into an office environment and seeing what a typical day would be like, and they can interview their mentors about what type of education they would need and the skills that they would need. So it's a really good opportunity. We've had success stories about the mentoring turning into longer opportunities. We've had some of the mentors who have kept in touch with the students that they worked with for several years now, and they meet with them occasionally for lunch and provide them with guidance. One of our other success stories is one of our students from last year who participated impressed the mentor so much that she arranged for him to now work as a paid intern in the agency.